In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the indexing status for individual pages or posts using Yoast SEO in WordPress. This process is essential for optimizing how your content appears in search engine results, which can significantly impact your website's visibility and performance. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base for managing all aspects of your website, including pages, posts, and plugins like Yoast SEO. Once you're there, head over to the left-hand menu and navigate to either pages or posts, depending on what type of content you want to adjust. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your pages or posts. Now find the specific piece of content you'd like to manage. Hover over its title and click the Edit button. This will open up the editor where you can make changes to your content, but today we're focusing specifically on the SEO settings. Once you're in the editor, scroll down until you reach the Yoast SEO panel. This is where you have control over various settings that affect the visibility and searchability of your content. You'll want to locate this panel as it contains the tools that simplify the complex world of SEO into manageable tasks. Now, within the Yoast SEO section, look for the Advanced tab. This is sometimes represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will expand a set of options that offer more granular control over how search engines interact with your content. Here's the key part. You're going to find a setting that reads, "Allow search engines to show this page in search results." This setting determines whether you want search engines to index this content, meaning you're deciding if it should appear in search results or not. If your goal is to have this page or post appear in search results, you should select Yes. This setting will instruct search engines to index the content, which means it will be included in search results for relevant queries. This is generally what you want for high-quality pages or posts that you think will attract visitors. However, sometimes you might not want certain content to show up in search results. This could be for various reasons, such as outdated content, pages that are meant to be private, or other strategic choices. In these cases, you should select No. Setting it to No Index tells search engines to exclude this content from their search results. Keep in mind that changes may not be immediate, as they need to be crawled and re-indexed by search engines. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effectively manage which pages and posts should be visible or hidden from search engines, helping you control your site's SEO performance. Remember, regular audits of your content and its indexing status can support better search engine optimization and ultimately help you achieve your website goals. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.